I posted a link for the HTML files, actually PHP files, the basic HTML template for this project in the description part. So we're going to add a little bit of PHP there, and then later we're going to add more code, and then we need to upload that code to this console. But first I'm going to open this code in Sublime Text 2. That's my choice of text editor. If you have a different, more preferable text editor, use that. So I'm going to go to PHP. This is where I placed my files, and I'm going to choose Sublime. This is a free tool also. You can use it. I like it because it shows the files and the file hierarchy in a nice way. So this app has three files: index.php, additem.php, and items.txt. So this is a text file, plain text file. Index.php is basically going to show the items in your to-do list, and additem.php has a form, HTML form, where you can enter some new item to add to your to-do list, and you can click on the submit button, and it's going to add the item you just entered into items.txt. And then index.php will read those items from the items.txt file and print them in a nice way in a list, as an HTML list in this page when you first open it. But just to make sure our PHP is working, we're going to add some PHP code, very simple PHP code. To write PHP, by the way, you can put PHP inside HTML. It also works the other way around. You can put HTML inside a PHP file. Right now, we're going to place some PHP code inside the HTML structure. And to do that, we're going to start with bracket, question mark, PHP. This means that PHP code goes in there. And we're going to close the tag. Here, I'm going to print echo first PHP app. And this is going to just print this. But this, if you see this printed, we know that this is, the PHP is working, that everything is fine, and then we can add more code later. Before you can actually start adding PHP code to the server, you need to make sure this file is compressed, because the Amazon AWS wants a zip file, not the folder. So right click and go to add to archive. So I have this here because I have WinRAR installed on my computer. If you don't have it, the Windows should also compress by itself. You should have a compress or archive option, which is going to give you a .zip file. So add to archive. I'm going to put WinRAR download link just in case if you want to use that one. So make sure to choose zip and click OK. Now I have cloud.php.zip. It's a compressed file. Let's go back to the edit console. Choose file, and I'm going to go desktop, cloud, PHP cloud media, PHP zip, and click on upload. Now these parts are fine. You can just go ahead and you can go ahead and click next. Here it gives you the enter environment information, so environment name, and your URL. So this is your URL, and since we're on a free plan, you don't really get to choose your custom URL. You can modify it, but you still have to use their domain part of it. And as a description, well, this is a bit of a and that's okay. So CS315, my last name, first app, / environment. Can I get rid of this? Looks like yes. So let's see, first PHP cloud app is my description. Actually, I'm just gonna say a to-do list app, simple to-do list app, and click next. Additional resources. We're not going to create database at the moment. We'll do some later. Click next, and it's optional. Any problems? You can add email if you want. It's optional, and then just click next. For now, don't worry about this. Click next. Next. Creates a default for you. This is the environment. Let's wait for this. I don't think it's ready yet. Oh, we haven't launched it yet. That's why. Let's launch this.